Here's why I really like book club. It gave them much of the same information as the textbook. However, it was viewed as more bite-sized. Now, let me be very clear. It did not take the place of assessment like exams, and they did have a textbook in addition to that that was optional. The book club, though, what I noticed was students tend to view the readings and the books in general more as professional development, more as how can this help me in my future career? So they engaged more meaningfully with it. Book club also seems to support autonomy, relatedness, and competence. So autonomy, even though I gave them a list of guiding questions, they could decide, how there was nothing to turn in. I graded them based on how much I was hearing this. And I would tell them, I'd say, there's nothing to turn in, there's nothing to type, but I want this. I want to hear you. And I would go around and I'd listen in. I want you to discuss. The autonomy comes in, they could decide what questions they wanted to linger over, if there were offshoots that were relevant, where that would sometimes take them. Now, again, I would have to make sure, because again, some people do like to dominate. So that was sometimes a matter of, well, we haven't, let's hear from, you've been kind of quiet. What are your thoughts on this question or something like that. And there were occasions where we'd have to make sure that groups stayed on topic. For the most part, though, they did. And I think that really speaks to the relatedness they were able to discuss with peers. And then finally, the competence. They developed practice speaking in front of peers, which a lot of students need, rather than doing a large presentation in front of an entire class, just speaking about a given topic with their small group, a lot of students reported more confidence.